Live, blood, we live, come on.
So, I mean, generously, I know he's my friend, but he generously has given me, see this hat there? See this hat piece there? Yep. I can't put it on my head because I got a high top at the moment, but this is the one I asked for, and he's blessed me with it. Nice hat, very nice. I love the fact that it's Velcro at the back as well. That's nice, a nice touch. And this one here, he's trying it, but he ain't gonna get it. He gave it to my wife. This ain't for me. I thought this was for me. I'm thinking, poof, that's nice. Have a look. Need to zoom into that.
One of the new drops.
Come on. I'm going for my wife. My wife. Yeah? But no, it's a blessing, bruv. You know, been supporting this from absolutely day one. We've got the white versions of some of these tees as well. And once he makes something that has, I think, a bit more to what I would like, bro, black, and you know what I mean? Nah, I'm joking. I'm support all the way. Honestly, it's a brand that is unique and different. It's honestly so different. I ain't seen nothing else like this. And you know, I'm not too well traveled online and whatnot, but I ain't seen nothing like this. And get yours. Cop yours before there is no more in stock.
What are you saying? You like your Exodus drop, yeah?
No. My God, bless you.